Hey guys, it's your girl Shell Beats coming at you today with a quick tutorial. First, we are going to go in with the shades Raw Sienna and Burnt Orange as our transition shades. We are going to use that famous windshield wiper motion, going back and forth. I usually have to go in a couple times with my transition shade just to get that desired look on my skin tone. And right under that transition shade, I am going to take the shade Railgar and just blend that right on out. Now I'm gonna go in my crease with the shade Love Letter. Now we're going to kick it up a notch and we're going to deepen that crease even more with the shade Cypress Umber. And you want to only focus this in that outer crease. Here I'm just blending out those harsh lines. Then I'm going to take the shade Love Letter and concentrate that right on the lid. And you're going to pack that shade right on. And then I'm going back to clean up any harsh lines, blending them out. And I lost a little bit of color when I was blending my harsh lines, so I just went back in one more time. Now this step here is totally optional. I am just lining my lash line. It just gives my eyes a little more definition when I put my mascara and lashes on. You don't have to do this, but it just helps me out. Now I'm gonna put my mascara on by e.l.f. Cosmetics in the shade Noir. Now here I am popping on my favorite lashes by Eyelure Lash, and this is the style Jaybee. I'm going back in with the color Love Letter on the lower lash line. Putting that mascara on. And honey, you are finished with your quick tutorial. We have our cranberry look that took us all of 5 minutes, and we beat. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned because there will be more tutorials from your girl.